Welcome to Competitive Exam Maths Tricks. In this video, we are going to see about square roots within 2 seconds. For this, we have to memorize a table or just understand the table. My previous video is described about cube roots in 2 seconds. The link is given below in the description. Just click for the cube roots first. Just to understand this table, it's very simple. 1 to 10 numbers and corresponding its squares. We are concentrating in the last digit alone. 1 for 1, 2 for 4. Just like that, the last digit and corresponding number only we are concentrating. With the help of this corresponding number, we can easily find out the square roots within 2 seconds. Now we go for this sum. 576. So 6 is the last digit. Look at the table. 6 comes in 4 and 6. So write two numbers 4 or 6. Just eliminate the last two digits. Then remaining is 5. According to the table, which number is lesser than 5 is 4. So 4 is corresponding with 2. The 2 is the first digit number. Second digit number is 2 into 3. That means 2 plus 1. That number with the successive number is 6. Compare 6 with this 5. 5 is lesser than 6. So you have to choose 4 for its square root. So 576 square root is equal to 24. Let's see one more example. 1849. 9 is the last digit. 9 comes in 7 and 3. So write both. Eliminate two digits. Remaining is 18. It in the table. 16 is lesser than 18. So 4. 4 is the first digit. Next step should be 4 into 5 is equal to 20. 20 compare with 18. 18 is lesser than 20. So you have to choose 3. 43 is the square root of 1849. So view all the full video to get the more idea. 25, large digit is 5. So 5 is in 5. 20, 16 is lesser. So 45 is the square root of 2025. Next we go with 8281. 1 comes in 1 and 9. 82. The table 81 is lesser than 82. So 9. 9 is the first digit. Next step will be 9 into 10 is equal to 90. Compare 90 with 82. 82 is lesser. So you choose 1. So 91 is the square root of 8281. Last example. 3364. 4 is the last digit. 4 comes in 2 and 8. Write both. Cut the two digits. Remaining 33. 33 in table. 25 is the lesser. So 5. 5 into 6 is equal to 30. 30 compare with 33. 33 is greater than 30. So you choose 8. 58. So 3364's square root will be 58. So with the help of this table, you can easily find out the square roots. Now I am giving some examples. Find out the square roots using this table and put your answer in the comment box. Rather than the answer, the timing is very important. So check out the timing also, note it down and put in the comment box. The table is very useful. In every competitive exam, you just this table in the last page. It will be useful for your competitive exam to reduce the times. I hope this video is useful for you. Click like button and subscribe our channel. Share to your friends also. Thank you. Thank you for watching.